So guys, first you have to come to gigabyte.com. See, this is the website gigabyte.com, and then you can see here search button. Then enter your model number of your motherboard, then hit enter. Then click to product, then click to title of motherboard. Support, then select operating system, which is Windows 10 and 11. USB driver, open, double click to exe, and then close. This is installed.